Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Duolingo. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo app and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.